Okay, so this is the bottom of the backpack, and these are my two runners. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open that up using my Weave Right or my awl. Then I'm going to do the same thing down on this end. And what this does then is it leaves a place for your harness to slip through in between the basket, bottom of the basket. So the harness is going to come through here. And I'll just trim that up a little bit. And the same thing on this end. Underneath there. And then if it's a little bit too long, you can trim it up. Okay, so that's where my harness is going to go through. And now with this basket, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a stain on it. It'll be like an oak. This one's going to go to my nephew Tyler. So anyways, I will show you how that harness goes on there with an old basket.